Blessed Sunday, everybody. So we are on the way to TV5 because it's Sunday, it's weekend, it's June 29. Ang bilis. So we already have a crew. We are gonna run to Barangay San Jose, Navota City because if you've heard of what happened yesterday, 11:30 a.m. nung bumigay yung pader that divides the barangay and the river. So, kumbaga yung pader na yon sa Celeste Street, bumigay siya. Now, kahit walang ulan, kahit walang bagyo, it caused flooding. Sobrang taas nung baha ngayon. Yung iba sa videos na nakikita natin, umabot hanggang lieg. No? So, we will go there, kumustahin natin sila, ano bang nangyayari, anong sitwasyon nila sa evacuation centers, and so far sa mga lumabas na reports, no, sa Labotas Public Information Office may 16 families affected. So 16 lang ba talaga, asan sila ngayon, and ano yung pwedeng gawin. Ayun lang. So blessed Sunday. I hope everybody's having a good time. Ganun pa rin. And yung ating motto, no, 3, 2, Aja! Let's go!